Alright, in this next video, Photoshop 101, we're going to go over the frame tool. The frame tool is something that I've never used. There's significantly better ways to do it. It's something that's relatively new to Photoshop, but it's not a great tool. There's easier and better ways to do what this tool accomplishes. But I'm going to go ahead and, like I said when I started this, run you guys through all of these things here on the side. So essentially the frame tool, when you click it or press the hotkey letter K on your keyboard, it goes to the frames. Now you can set a rectangular frame or you can do a circular frame. Doesn't really matter which one you pick. I'm going to hold down shift and I'm going to drag. I'm on the circular frame right now, and it's going to give me a little circle frame. The frame is here in the middle. Now what you can do is you can take an image or we'll hit enter so that way that frame stays there. I'm going to take an image from my desktop, the same image we used in the last video, and I'm going to drag it over into that frame, and it's going to crop that circle into that frame. So it just makes it so that the image is just only inside the space of that frame. It's cool, but it's not the easiest way to do it. You can also click on your layer over here. If you click on the frame side of things, on the actual image side, you can drag and move it around and change the area or perspective or wherever it's at. There is an easier way to do this called clipping masks, and they're significantly better, a lot more versatile, and that's what we're going to probably use. But again, I just want to walk everyone through the basics of the entirety of the toolbar. So that's frames for you in a nutshell. It's pretty basic, pretty simple, but it's not a tool that we really use a whole lot for making Tumblr designs or things like that. The next video we're going to go over the color eyedropper tool and everything that's inside that category.